Let me show you the best tool, like the best tool. Look at this image, oh. Look at this image. This is what we call anti-crack. A lot of technicians have been battling with this. This happen. Most of why this happen is in most cases, after the phone is water damaged, after falling into water, then you try to revive the phone. After servicing another, you press it, the phone on, but it will be telling you that anti-crack. Sometimes you format it, some cases it works, and sometimes it doesn't work. Some technicians say you need to revoid the MMC or maybe the RAM. Sometimes it also work, but I'm going to show you the most simplest way you're going to fix this without even open the PCB. So let me show you the particular software. This software is totally free. It's totally free. I'm going to drop the password of this software after downloading, because the software is passworded. You're going to see the password. I'm going to drop it in the screen. Copy it and hide it. Whenever you download, use it. It's free, totally free. And mind you, it's not only anti-crack that the software does. It does a lot of things. Let me show you guys. Let's go. Alright, now as you can see guys, here we have, look at what the software can do. It can reboot meta, read meta info, eMMC head check. You can check it, you understand? Factory reset Oppo F5 plus Vivo. Factory reset, here is Vivo Y15 and Y30. Factory reset, well, another one here, download section. But look at what I'm talking about here. This is the anti-crack. Look at it. This is the anti-crack here. Let me select it. So now the software is already on anti-crack. Look at waiting for MTK USB device. So now whenever you see you want to make use of this software, now after pressing it, make sure, don't forget, you pressed the volume up and the down volume together like this, then insert your cable. You keep on holding them together, then insert your cable. Don't leave them on. You press the volume and the down volume together before you insert your cable. That is how you remove the anti-crack. And let me show you what the anti-crack at the kind of phone it does. Look at Infinix, Tecno, and Itel. Can you see now? Infinix, Tecno, and Itel. Because that is the kind of phone that normally develop all this anti-crack issue. Like Infinix Smart, Pop 8, Pop 9. Some Itels also does the same, like P36 and the rest. They do the same thing. So guys, this is the software. Look at the name, Android utility. This one is free, but it's passwording. When you are downloading, scroll down, you'll see the password of this software is there. While downloading, no, not now, but I'm going to drop the password on the screen. Share this video and follow for more guys.